Replacements for switch statement in Python. I want to write a function in Python that returns different fixed values based on the value of an input index. In other languages I would use a switch or case statement, but Python does not appear to have a switch statement. What are the recommended Python solutions in this scenario?
Python 3.10, 2021, introduced the match case statement, which provides a first-class implementation of a switch for Python. For example, the match case statement is considerably more powerful than this simple example. If you need to support Python less than or equal to 3.9, use a dictionary instead.
I've always liked doing it this way. From here.
In addition to the dictionary methods, which I really like, by the way, you can also use if-else to obtain the switcher case or default functionality. This of course is not identical to switcher case. You cannot have fall through as easily as leaving off the break statement, but you can have a more complicated test. Its formatting is nicer than a series of nested ifs, even though functionally that's what it is closer to.
If you'd like defaults, you could use the dictionary get key default function.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.